Okay, this is a question from the tutorial that was on Venn diagrams and sets. And it's asking you to shade the region of the Venn diagram corresponding to the complement of A intersection the complement of B intersection C. Now, in order to solve these problems, the best way of doing it is to write down a sequence of Venn diagrams where each Venn diagram only illustrates at most one operation: a union, a complement, or an intersection. So as far as this question goes, we can write down a Venn diagram for the complement of A. That's the complement of A there, it doesn't look like it. We can write down a Venn diagram for B intersection C. We can write down a Venn diagram for the complement of B intersection C. And we can write down a Venn diagram for the thing that we're after: A complement intersection the complement of B intersection C. Okay, so just shade away. The complement of A is everything outside A, so try to be as neat as possible, but that's more or less what the complement of A is: everything outside A. Get the gist of that. B intersection C is everything which is in B and C, so that means it's the overlap between the two circles, which includes the bit where A overlaps with B and C. Then the complement of B intersection C is everything which we didn't shade in the last diagram, so that is everything apart from that little segment that we shaded in the previous diagram. So we get something like that. And now what we want is, we want the areas which are shaded in both the complement of A and the complement of B intersection C. So both of those left-hand diagrams, what is shaded in both of those? Well, if you have a look at it, the outside is shaded in both. The whole of A is unshaded in the first one, so we're not going to shade anything in A, and we're not going to shade anything in this little segment. So actually what we are going to shade is all the outside. We're not going to shade anything in A. So I'll do the outside first. We're not going to shade anything in A, and we're not going to shade anything in this small segment here that I'm highlighting with a little dot. So what we are going to shade is that area, which is shaded in both the diagrams, and also the things which are just in B. So that's it. That's the Venn diagram for the question that we are asked.